There were two small, delicate birds living in a spot in the Hijaz land that was very hot and had little water. One day, while they were chatting and complaining to each other about the difficult circumstances of life, a gentle wind blowing over them came from the land of Yemen. The two birds were happy with this breeze and began to chirp happily in the cool breeze. And when the breeze of the wind saw the two beautiful birds standing on a simple branch of a single tree in the area, she was astonished by the mothers. She looked at them and said, "You two beautiful birds, it is such a strange thing. How can you accept when you are so beautiful and with such tenderness? What would happen in a desolate land like this? If you wanted, I could carry you with me and take you. To Yemen, where I came from, there is fresh, cold water that tastes better than honey, and the sweetness of the grains almost tastes like sugar. And if you take my advice and promise that we will be there in a very short time, what do you say?" The bird, the smarter of the two, stood up and answered with intelligence and intuition, "Oh, breath of the wind, you move from one place every day to a place, and you move from land to land. And that makes you not realize what it means for one of us to have a homeland that he loves. So leave, O woman. The breeze is grateful. We will not exchange a land, even if there were a paradise on earth for our homeland, even if the weather there was harsh and food was scarce."